Most people see strawberries as nothing more than a symbol of love and romance. But hidden behind their sweet flavor is a multi-billion-dollar industry where cutting-edge robots are quietly replacing both farm workers and kitchen experts. Every single year, more than 500 billion strawberries are harvested across the globe, and millions of those perfectly ripe berries are destined for one delicious transformation, becoming rich, flavorful strawberry jam. Their journey begins under the warm sun of carefully managed strawberry fields, where every berry is picked at the exact moment it reaches peak ripeness. From there, they travel to some of the world's most advanced food processing facilities, where precision engineering and modern technology transform delicate fruit into the irresistible spread enjoyed by millions. Today, join Machine's visit as we uncover the fascinating high-tech process behind strawberry jam production and reveal why this iconic preserve continues to reign as the undisputed queen of all fruit jams. If strawberry production were a global competition, China would dominate the leaderboard with sheer volume. Harvesting more than 3 million tons every year, it produces nearly 3 times as many strawberries as the United States. But here's where the story takes an unexpected turn. When people around the world think of premium strawberry jam, the spotlight shifts across the Pacific. Legendary brands like Smucker's, Bon Maman, Welch's, and several other household names have built an international reputation for quality and flavor. In America, strawberry jam is far more than a breakfast topping. It's part of the country's food culture and a billion-dollar industry that has perfected the art of turning simple berries into a product loved on breakfast tables around the globe. The United States may not harvest the highest volume, but it has mastered the science of transforming an ordinary fruit into something truly unforgettable. The truth is, not every strawberry is lucky enough to reach supermarket shelves while still fresh. Strawberries are among the most delicate fruits in the world, and even a short delay can cause them to lose their quality. That's exactly why the processing industry plays such an important role. Making strawberry jam isn't simply about preserving fruit. It's a smart solution that extends shelf life, minimizes food waste, strengthens the supply chain, and creates far greater value from berries that would otherwise spoil within days. At premium strawberry farms supplying export markets and high-quality jam manufacturers, harvesting has entered a completely new era. Advanced robotic harvesting systems equipped with AI-powered vision technology and soft robotic arms now identify perfectly ripe strawberries with incredible accuracy. Using flexible silicone grippers or gentle vacuum suction, these intelligent machines carefully remove each berry without bruising the fruit or damaging the stem. Every harvested strawberry is immediately placed into specially cushioned trays that protect its shape and freshness throughout the process. Operating during the cool, early morning hours, when flavor and firmness are at their peak, a single robotic harvester can collect as much as 10,000 pounds of strawberries in a single day, delivering remarkable speed without sacrificing quality. Yet despite these remarkable technological advances, strawberry harvesting in many parts of the United States still depends on something no machine has fully replaced: human hands. On organic farms, steep hillsides, and fields with difficult terrain, experienced workers continue to harvest each berry with extraordinary care. Moving quietly through endless rows of plants, they select only fruit that has reached perfect ripeness before gently placing every strawberry into ventilated plastic trays in a single layer. Nothing is stacked, crushed, or bruised, ensuring every berry arrives in excellent condition. Once the trays are full, workers rush them to nearby collection stations where the fruit is immediately transferred into cold storage. This entire process must happen within 1 to 2 hours after harvesting because every passing minute reduces freshness and quality. An experienced strawberry picker harvests between 9 and 13 kilograms every hour. While that number may sound modest, this demanding work supports more than 55,000 seasonal jobs throughout the United States each year, many of them filled by immigrant agricultural workers. Hand harvesting doesn't simply protect the delicate fruit. It also provides income for thousands of families and remains one of the most valuable parts of the American strawberry industry. Even in an age dominated by automation, the human touch continues to play a vital role in producing premium strawberries. Immediately after harvest, the strawberries are transported to nearby pre-processing facilities located close to the farms, where sorting begins while the fruit is still at peak freshness. This stage determines the future of every single berry. Premium strawberries are selected for supermarket shelves and fresh produce markets, while the remaining fruit continues toward jam factories, freezing facilities, or drying plants. Only berries that are bright red, perfectly ripe, firm, and completely free from pest damage move forward. Fruit that is bruised, overly soft, scratched, or unevenly colored is removed immediately. Because strawberries begin losing freshness within just a few hours of being picked, workers must combine speed with exceptional attention to detail. During peak harvest season, sorting lines often run continuously from early morning until late at night to keep up with production. Careful grading not only guarantees premium quality, but also ensures consistent color, texture, and flavor during every stage of processing. After passing inspection, the selected strawberries are carefully packed into specially designed cartons featuring soft protective liners and ventilation openings that prevent damage during transportation. These containers are then transferred into temperature-controlled cold storage facilities where stable cooling preserves freshness for extended periods. From there, part of the harvest is delivered to supermarkets across the country, while the highest quality batches begin their journey to international markets throughout Europe and Asia. But what happens to the strawberries that never make it to the fresh produce aisle? Surprisingly, their story is far from over. Instead, they begin an entirely new journey inside modern jam factories, where they are transformed into one of the world's most beloved breakfast favorites. As soon as the strawberries arrive at the production line, another round of precision sorting begins before each berry is carefully positioned inside specially designed holders for stem removal. Every minute, more than 2,000 strawberries move through a fully automated cutting system where razor-sharp blades remove each stem with astonishing accuracy. The margin for error is incredibly small. Just a few millimeters can slice into the soft fruit and ruin its appearance. That's why these advanced machines rely on precise positioning and high-speed synchronization to deliver perfectly trimmed strawberries ready for the next stage of jam production. And here's something most people never realize. Inside the strawberry industry, even the tiniest flaw can slash a berry's commercial value by half. That's why every strawberry immediately enters a carefully controlled cleaning process designed to protect both its appearance and quality. The berries first roll across rotating rollers before passing beneath precisely calibrated high-pressure water jets that wash away dust, dirt, and surface residue without bruising the delicate skin. Moments later, they enter a large-capacity washing tank where vigorous water movement removes every remaining grain of sand, loose stem, or tiny leaf fragment. Throughout the entire process, specially designed guide rails keep each berry evenly separated and gently cushioned, preventing unnecessary impacts while maintaining continuous movement. This multi-stage washing system isn't simply about cleanliness. It's a critical step that guarantees food safety while preserving the strawberry's natural texture, color, and premium appearance. Once washing is complete, the strawberries move onto a detailed inspection conveyor where experienced workers carefully examine every batch by hand. Any berry showing bruises, discoloration, overripeness, or physical damage is immediately removed before it can continue through production. Although advanced machines perform much of the work, this manual inspection remains one of the most important quality control stages because even today's technology cannot consistently match the trained eyes of experienced workers. Now we're about to enter one of the most fascinating and rarely seen processes in modern food manufacturing, a technology that protects both flavor and nutrition better than almost anything else: freeze drying. Everything begins with an ultra-fast freezing stage that rapidly lowers the strawberries to nearly 40 degrees Celsius. Once completely frozen, they enter a vacuum drying chamber where a remarkable scientific process called sublimation takes place. Instead of melting into water, the ice trapped inside each strawberry transforms directly into vapor, preserving the fruit's original structure. As this happens, carefully controlled upward airflow gently lifts and separates the berry pieces, preventing them from sticking together throughout the drying process. But what truly makes freeze drying extraordinary isn't just the technology. It's the results. While conventional drying methods can destroy 40 to 50% of a strawberry's vitamin C, freeze drying preserves more than 95% of its nutrients. The finished berries emerge incredibly light, perfectly crisp, intensely sweet, and packed with nearly all of their original flavor, aroma, and nutritional value. After leaving the freeze-drying system, every batch undergoes another careful manual inspection. Workers remove any strawberries affected by freezer burn, bruising, or imperfections that could reduce final product quality. Once approved, the berries move directly to the packaging area where every batch is accurately weighed before being transferred into heavy-duty food-grade bulk bags. These bags are immediately folded and sealed using industrial heat sealing equipment, creating an airtight barrier that prevents moisture from entering. Finally, the packaged strawberries are transferred into deep freeze storage facilities where ultra-low temperatures preserve their peak condition until the moment they are shipped to jam manufacturers for the next stage of their remarkable journey. Now we arrive at the stage everyone has been waiting for, the heart of the jam factory, where frozen strawberries begin their transformation into rich, velvety strawberry jam. Before cooking starts, the fruit is carefully thawed under tightly controlled conditions for approximately 4 to 6 hours at temperatures between 0 and 4 degrees Celsius. This slow thawing process prevents thermal shock, reducing moisture loss while protecting the berry's texture, color, and natural flavor. Once properly prepared, the strawberries are transferred into enormous industrial cooking kettles engineered to distribute heat evenly across every batch. Here, they are blended with sugar, natural plant-derived pectin, and sometimes lemon juice or citric acid to create the perfect balance of sweetness, acidity, and the signature thick consistency people expect from premium strawberry jam. As cooking begins, powerful automated paddles continuously stir the mixture to prevent scorching while helping preserve the strawberry's vibrant appearance. The cooking process generally lasts between 30 and 45 minutes, during which technicians constantly monitor viscosity, aroma, temperature, and brix levels to ensure every batch meets exact quality standards. If you watch carefully, you may notice small amounts of fine white powder being added during cooking. This isn't a secret ingredient. It's usually pectin or crystalline citric acid introduced at carefully timed intervals to fine-tune the jam's texture and gel formation. But hidden inside this process lies one of the industry's biggest surprises. Under prolonged heat, the strawberry's bright red pigments begin reacting naturally with sugar, causing the fruit to darken into a much deeper reddish-brown shade. In other words, the brilliant red color consumers expect isn't actually the berry's natural appearance after cooking. To maintain that familiar, vibrant look, many manufacturers discreetly use natural color extracts derived from ingredients such as red beet or blackcurrant. It's an unexpected reminder that in the world of food production, appearance can sometimes be carefully crafted without changing the product's natural character. Once the jam reaches its ideal thickness, flavor, and aroma, it is immediately transferred while still piping hot into sterilized glass jars or specially designed food-safe containers. This filling stage happens with incredible speed and precision because the jam must remain between 85 and 90 degrees Celsius to naturally sterilize the inside of every container. That high temperature destroys harmful microorganisms while creating a gentle vacuum seal as the jars cool, dramatically extending shelf life without relying on artificial preservatives. Each stream of hot jam flows smoothly into its container like liquid ruby gold. But behind that flawless appearance is an engineering process measured down to the smallest detail. Immediately after sealing, the freshly filled jars enter a controlled cold water spray tunnel that rapidly lowers their internal temperature. This quick cooling prevents the jam from continuing to cook inside the container, helping preserve its perfect texture, rich flavor, and signature bright color. The jars then move into the final finishing area where every container undergoes one last quality inspection before receiving professionally printed labels containing ingredient information, nutritional details, and expiration dates. Afterward, they are carefully packed into reinforced cartons designed to protect them during transportation. These cartons are transferred into temperature-controlled storage facilities where they remain under ideal conditions until shipment. During this brief storage period, the jam stabilizes, allowing its texture, consistency, and flavor to fully develop before eventually reaching supermarkets. And finally, your breakfast table. And that's the remarkable journey hidden inside every jar of strawberry jam. What appears to be a simple breakfast spread is actually the result of extraordinary precision, advanced technology, careful craftsmanship, and countless quality checks from field to factory. Every spoonful tells a story that begins in sunlit strawberry fields and ends only after passing through one of the most sophisticated food production processes in the world. If you enjoyed discovering how your favorite jam is really made, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and leave a comment below. There are many more fascinating food journeys waiting to be uncovered, and we can't wait to explore them together.